Hi guys, una don hear of Mayfair Lounge for this Calabar. Omo place dey this Calabar. I'm so excited for this particular one. See the aesthetics. When I talk about aesthetics, when I talk about ambience, this is what I am talking about. This place no look like Calabar. It is so different from what I know. So now go just dey look the place and also listen to wetin I wan talk about next. They say if you want to take picture for this place, whether na iPhone pictures or na camera picture, your budget must be 100k and above, and you must make reservation for their Instagram page, which is Mayfair Lounge. This place na private lounge. They no need rowdiness. They want a place where person wan come sit down chill, no one noise, no one see people. Now this kind of place, if you come sit down, just buy your things, your cocktail. Their food now from 12,000 upward, and their drinks, that's their cocktails, now from 9,000 naira upward. And the place they very fine. The place now restaurant for morning and a lounge for evening. If you go there for evening, for adult things, when I just go enjoy on yourself, like go out with your friends, just take like everywhere for this place is so fine. This is like the best I've seen so far in the city of Calabar. The bathroom, they get downstairs bathroom, they get upstairs bathroom. So this is the bar area. Then they sell all types of drink for that place. Like this for the big boys and the big girls only. Like just look at this place, see how beautiful they were, so intentional with the decoration. I don't see any sight of flower for this place. Like everything was just giving luxury. This is luxury. Like it was screaming. They get sense. Whoever designed this place really take time design them. And being me that is Calabar, like everywhere for this place just makes sense. I really love everything concerning the color choice, everything just makes sense. Make una just enjoy the view. I know girls just go there, no worry, they no go buy tuna. So like I said, now for nights, everything they go on, adult things, and they do a lot of things for year. Just have fun, go out, have fun. See, it's Christmas, just have fun. So yeah, this is it. Bye guys, in my next vlog. Mwah.